You know, I watch a lot of video about this question where we use principle of logarithm, where we apply ln here and ln here to solve it. But I will show you a basic method using only laws of indices. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, we have x to the power x. Put it here. Is equals to what? 4 to the power x plus 16 can be expressed as what? 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x times 4 to the power 16. You can divide everywhere by 4 to the power x. So I have all over 4 to the power x here, all over 4 to the power x. Hence, we have for x all over 4 to the power x is equals to what? 4 to the power, just that we are 4 to the power 16. Okay. At this point now, we can have all over 4 everywhere, up and at the level of the numerator, you have all over 4 here. You ask the question, why are we putting all over 4? Or making the quarter root, there is a quarter root of it, actually. That is, example, you have x, make the quarter root, that is to the power 1 quarter. That's what we do. It is because you are seeing 16 here. Okay, 16, and you have 4. You have x all over 4. If you divide by 4 here, you're going to have x all over 4, x all over 4. And 16 divided by 4 will give you 4. So it should be 4 to the power 4. And x all over 4, x all over 4. So it should be 4 and 4, and it will be equivalent. Save it. Hence, you have what? X all over 4 to the power x all over 4 is equals to what? 4 to the power 4. Looking here now, you see that, let me write it well. Here is 4, please. That x to the power 4, x all over 4 is equals to this. X all over 4 is equals to this by equating, since they are the same thing. Hence, x all over 4 is equals to 4, which implies x is equals to 16. And that is very, very easy. You see, in less than 3 steps, we could just solve this question that we will use principle of ln and the linear round. That is what we did in a few seconds. Subscribe if you like this video.